one.
Okay, I'm actually going to start up here because I forgot about all this. So this is just showing the larynx again. Hyoid bone, thyroid cartilage, thyroid here. This represents trachea. You have 3 lobes on the right lung, superior, middle, and inferior. This is the right horizontal fissure. If I turn this over, you can see the right oblique fissure. On the left side, you only have 2 lobes, left superior lobe, left inferior lobe, and you have the left oblique fissure there. If you remove the lung lobe, the superior part of it, you can see some of the bronchus that are there, or bronchi that are there. You have your secondary bronchi, which again is also called a lobar bronchi, that's going to the inferior lobe. These here represent tertiary bronchi. These are going to individual portions, and if you feel this smooth portion right here, that represents a bronchiole because they lack cartilage. But I wouldn't really use, I think I'd probably just put a pin there maybe for a secondary bronchus because it's hard to see on that side. But yeah, that's it.